Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to pay for products inside the Temu app using your PayPal account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to go into Temu. I'm going to click on some random products here. These shoes look alright. So I'm going to click on these shoes. And now I'm going to add these to my cart. So I need to choose a size. Yep, and grey ones look pretty cool. And now from here, I'm going to click on to go to cart and just make sure everything looks good here in your cart. And then once you've done that, click on checkout. And then on the checkout section of Temu, if you look down below, you've got payment methods. You've got card, you can add a new card, you've got PayPal, Afterpay, Zip, etc. What you need to do is just simply click on PayPal, like so, and then click on submit order. And now from here, it will take you to your PayPal. So you need to log into your PayPal account. So put in your email or mobile number and just simply log in, and then I'll redirect you back to the checkout section here. And then just click on submit order and it will go through. Or if you already got your PayPal credentials saved in the Temu, you won't need to re-log back in.